so because I'm tired to record today's, make all the setup and get excited, and it's a negative. And I'm gonna do now the test. This is here. I'm sorry it's gross, but I should see it. So I am 8 or 9 debut today. I feel, I know it's gonna be negative. I know. Yeah, it is negative. By the title of this video, you already know everything what happened, but I just want to see how things are so crazy. This morning, I woke up, I took my test, I had the camera on, and it was again negative. And then I went to work. Today was my last day of work. So after, excuse me, after work, I got back home, and I was like having lunch. I was like, I'm gonna take a test again. So I did. I didn't bring my camera. Look how things is. I was planning to get my camera every single moment I had to take a test, and I've been doing this for this whole thing, seriously. And then I didn't bring my phone, I didn't have my camera, nothing. I went to do the test, put the test on the table, went to do something, got back to the bathroom, took the test, and guess what? I am pregnant. How? I am so scared. I already cried so much, and I can't talk to anybody. I can't even talk to DJ because I want to be ready to film. As soon as he gets home, I'll get ready, and I will make put the camera and set up everything because I really want to show him. I want to surprise him. I already cry because I'm afraid. I cry because I'm happy. I am so blessed, and I feel so blessed. But it's also so scary because this morning was negative. But this is the best news